Good morning, everybody. I wanted to talk to you about Avon's makeup setting spreads. If I can get that in there real quick. That's what it looks like. If you wear makeup like I do, every morning before I go, I basically will do my eyes first, and then I just do a pump, pump, pump around the face. So in the summertime, especially, you would want to be wearing this because it will save you from having your makeup to fall off, to be just fresh all day for about 8 hours. So it's a really great product that sells for $13, but now it's on sale for buy one and get the second one half off. So anyway, let me unwrap my hair and get on with my day. Have a good day, everybody.